Hello, everyone. I am Tanya Cunningham with Tanya Homes Group, and welcome once again to my Realtor Hat series. And today we're going to be speaking with Elena Bustamante with John Galt Insurance. Homeowners insurance has been a concern for quite a few of my clients. So Elena is going to help us understand what's going on in this industry and also give us some tips on how to navigate this industry that has been very challenging. So sit back, take some notes if you have to, and let's talk with Elena. Hi, Elena. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Oh, thank you for having me. I look forward to this.
Yeah, me too. I mean, some people don't think insurance is so exciting, but I think that it's so important, and it can be, an exciting topic to at least listen to in terms of what's important for you to make decisions. So I just want to jump right into this industry right now for insurance. I've had clients calling me, trying for me to help them. And of course, I've been sending them to you. And I want to know what has been going on in this industry that has people so panicked about, their insurance for their home, etc.
Well, that's a great question. We are going through a major insurance crisis. And by that, what I mean is a lot of companies have left Florida. So the options are very limited at this point. This is basically the worst I've seen in 16 years that I've been in this industry. This is even worse than after Hurricane Andrew. And until legislation kicks in and reforms insurance, we're going to be in this situation.
Wow. So that's the reality of it. Okay, got it. So it's not always roses and perfume when we're talking about things, and that's the reality. So that's why my clients are so panicked. That's why, with people being dropped and so on, it's been challenging. So what is it that you're doing to help with this situation?
Well, doing an insurance review is important. I know insurance really isn't exciting, but it's something we all need. And it's good to have basic knowledge. So I'm very big about reviewing coverages with insured, making sure they understand what they have. Something as simple as replacement cost in personal property, that can really increase your premium. And in a time where, insurance is so expensive, I always give the option to the customer to have it or remove it. And what replacement cost is, if you have a loss, a good example is a fire. You got smoke damage, all your belongings are damaged. With replacement cost, you'll get all those items new again. With actual cash value, it'll be whatever that item is worth today. So depreciation is taken into account.
Okay.
But sometimes in today's market, it may be worth to not have replacement costs. And a good rule of thumb is if you have really high-end furniture, like an Italian couch, or, you put money into your items, then yes, keep the replacement cost. But if you, maybe went to the outlet of rooms to go or, something of that nature, it may be worth it to save a little bit of money. We're talking about almost $1,000 of savings a year.
Wow. That's
to remove
big.
the replacement cost. Yes.
Wow. Oh, what a great tip.
And then I also like to look at your discounts. Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach, it has an all or nothing model with the insurance company on the opening protection. So, for example, I've had customers that have impact windows, their doors, their garage, everything is rated, but yet they have a little skylight that doesn't have a shutter or an impact window, they will not get the credit.
Yeah,
and
wow.
So I'm very big at letting them know sometimes it's just the front door. Hey, get a protection for that front door, and then that's thousands of dollars of savings. And it's a very common problem with mitigation, which is where you get the discount.
So I love this because things might not be the greatest right now in the insurance industry, but there's still ways that you can save and things that you can do. So what you want to do is really look at everybody's policy who gives you a call to see how you can save them some money. And I'm sure that people are just loving that.
Yes. And my biggest advice is when you call your agent, or if you call me, hopefully I'm the agent, have your current policy, your 4-point, and your mitigation handy, even if they're old and expired, because I'm going to ask you questions and that's going to help me to know where you're at and what we can do. There's other people that have had changes in their property and they haven't notified their agent, so they've been missing out on credit. I have
Wow.
I have saved people retroactively from a prior year money because I was able to give them the credit from the prior year.
That's great. That's really great, Elena. And I'm sure a lot of people out there who haven't even thought about that, now they realize they can look at their policy, go to their agent, or hopefully give you a call so that you can at least tell them, because I know that would be really beneficial. So great. So before we wrap up, I want to know, what made you go into insurance? I mean, insurance is not something that a lot of people find to be like fun and exciting, but I know you love it. So
I
why do you
do.
love it so much?
I'm a helper. I like to help people, and my initial career was nursing. I did not like to work with sick people, and I just fell into insurance. I was good. I help people save money, and what a great feeling to help people save money and
Yeah.
give them something that is actually good for them. And my grandparents came from Cuba. They struggled here, and I always wanted to build a business where I can leave a legacy and my children and family can be proud of and maybe have something to fall back on.
Wow, I love that. And yeah, so you didn't do the nursing. We didn't help in that way, but now you're helping people save money, which is just as
I think that's
awesome.
great.
Well, Elena, thank you for sitting with me, giving us some great tips, letting people know the reality of the insurance industry right now. And it doesn't mean that they can't still be proactive and do things to really benefit them regarding their home, and so on. So I think that, and you do other types of insurance too. So when they contact you, you can talk to them about all of the areas of insurance where you can help them save. So please tell us how they can reach you. What's the best way?
You can reach me via text message, email. My phone number is 305-582-1861. That's my direct line. Or you can email me at elena.bustamante@johngoldinsurance.com.
Awesome. And all that information will be here. So they will reach out to you. And thank you again. This has been awesome. It's really, I love what you do for the clients that I send your way. They really have nothing but great things to say. So thank you for being such a help to them and being such a contribution to their lives. Elena, it was awesome. Take care.
Thank you. Have a
You're
great day.
welcome. Thank you. You too. Bye. So there you have it. We just got the reality check on what's going on in the insurance industry. And that's what we needed to hear. So now you can make an informed decision in terms of what you can do to save on your insurance premiums. Reach out to Elena. Her number is 305-582-1861. 305-582-1861. Or email her at elena.bustamante@johngalt And of course, remember, if you are buying or selling a home or have a friend or family member who is, send them to Tanya, because we wear the hat to bring you the facts.